Today, we're going to install Autoply thermal and acoustic insulation on this Ford Transit 148 high roof cargo van. To install FiberPly, you will need a utility knife, 70% isopropyl alcohol, and a small spray bottle. The install schematic is available on autoply.net for viewing on your mobile device, or you can print a hard copy. A part numbering system is printed on each piece for identification. Using the installation schematic as a reference, the kit can easily be installed on a full-size van in less than an hour. The product we're going to install today is called FiberPly 1.0. At 1 inch thickness, it has an R value of 4 to 4.5. Half-inch thickness material is also available, and it has an R value of 2. Now, let's unpack this kit and get ready to install. We are going to unpack all the pieces and separate them from left side, right side, and ceiling. Ford Transit vans are challenging because they have a lot of structural components, cavities, and niches. The goal with insulation is to create a barrier or air gap between the hot or cold aluminum skin and the cargo area. Maximum surface coverage is important. This first piece, labeled A, goes in this position according to the schematic. Each piece has a score liner on the back that allows you to peel the backing away from the adhesive. We simply peel and stick the material to the surface. Some smaller pieces may not have a score liner. You can use a blade or knife to gently cut a line in the paper, fold it, and pull the release paper away. The adhesive contains a plastic film layer that will help prevent cutting too deep into the material. This Ford Transit kit is designed for each piece to fit snug behind and around the wall structures. By misting the adhesive backing with isopropyl alcohol, these pieces can be slid into position easier. The alcohol will evaporate and leave the product properly adhered to the surface once it dries. Rectangular cutout shapes are also included to tuck inside the hollow wall structures for maximum insulation coverage. Larger pieces are easier to manage by partially removing the release paper, lining up an edge, and applying the piece while removing the remainder of the paper, in this case from side to side. The same technique can be used with ceiling pieces. Okay, we have completed the install, and I must say that was not difficult. The installation schematic and part numbering system were easy to understand. Standing inside this van now, you can really appreciate the sound absorption qualities. It almost feels like I'm in a vacuum or soundproof studio. We have the AC running now, and the temperature is very comfortable, even on a hot South Florida day like today. For more information about Autoply insulation, their capabilities, and where to buy, visit www.autoply.net.